In this video, we are going to see how we can completely remove the Roblox Studio from our PC or laptop. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is just head over to the control panel and right here apps, or you can also head over to the settings. From here we head over to the apps, click on install apps, and from here you search for Studio, or we search for Roblox, and here you go. You have this uninstall option. You click on that, click on uninstall, and that's how you do it. The second method is you go to the start menu, head over to the control panel, click on uninstall a program and search for Roblox Studio. From here you search for it, click on uninstall, and just wait for some time to get this uninstalled. And once you successfully able to remove the icon from here, after that you close out of here and you're successfully uninstalled. You might need to restart your PC to make it effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.